So today, we really want to focus on making sure network management related traffic is protected from a security perspective and also can actually reach the devices that it needs to. So one of the first things that you need to wrap your head around here is that there can be two overall approaches to how that traffic is carried on your network. And yeah, I'm referring to even the physical infrastructure that is carrying that traffic. One of the very popular approaches is to take your network management traffic and do OOB, that's OOB. It's definitely one of those acronyms that I've had so many students ask me to define for them when they see it. So out of band simply means that the network management traffic has its own components that it's going to be flowing through. And a great example of this is many Cisco devices that will have a management port, and that management port is dedicated for management. So you're going to have your data traffic from users flowing through all these different interfaces on the device. And then there's this special interface, this special port that is just for the management traffic. It will be connected to an Ethernet cable that's just carrying the network management traffic, goes to a switch, and that switch switches that network management traffic along the network management path. You talk about security. So it's like air gapping, right? Not truly, because the traffic is arriving on devices along with the user traffic, but you get the idea. It's really separating the traffic as a great way to ensure that prying eyes don't get that network management traffic. And think about that. There's going to be so much information typically in the network management traffic that someone could really use against us. Think about network management devices that are like polling all of your devices. So now there's a reconnaissance inventory that could fall into the wrong hands. So this really is traffic that we want to protect. The other thing about going out of band is that you can really have an easier time with the quality of service against that traffic, because for all of that media, it's just that traffic that's being used. So it makes things so much simpler. So in band, the opposite of this, that is when we're like, okay, we don't have a choice. We're going to go ahead and take the simple network management protocol, and it's going to be traveling on the same ports and on the